Hey YouTubers, this is how to make yourself a prison omelet. You're away from home. Maybe you're not in prison. Hopefully not. I hope you're not in prison. But if you're someplace all you have is a microwave, you want to make yourself a little omelet, here's the way you can do it. You're just going to need a paper plate, and hopefully you have a little bit of a spray oil canola. Now, your associates may get mad at you by taking so much time in front of the microwave when they need to use it for their delicacies. Now we're going to put this in the microwave. I'll tell you how many seconds in just a second. It's going to be a cheese omelet. We're going to be using some of this premier aged cheddar from the Walmart. That was 60 seconds. Earth seconds. For those of you watching Interplanetary YouTube, want to give a big shout out to all my viewers on Uranus. Now, here comes the tricky part. You want to lock in this goodness. Now, another lock in, I say. What's happening? The force is not with us. Well, you get the idea. Get in there. Making a mockery of my YouTube video. There we go. 15 seconds. Okay, be sure to watch Gordon Ramsay's video on how to do this. He gives you a cream fresh recipe with some chipotle sauce, but we're just going to use the good old cheddar USA. So there you guys go. There you guys go. I'll learn English one day. This is our 1 minute and 30 second paper plate prison omelet. That's not bad. All right, guys. Stay out of trouble. See you out there. This is worth at least one can of canned mackerel in the big house.